Hi everyone, I'm Akansha and I welcome you all to our channel Reset Capsules. I'm here to talk about the key highlights of Personal Data Protection Bill of 2019. Let's start by a little bit of history. The bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on 11 December 19 by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The bill supersedes the Information Technology Act 2000 by deleting the provision related to compensation payable by companies for failure of protection of data, that is Section 43A. General Data Protection Regulation 2016 and the famous landmark judgment Justice K. S. Puttaswamy and others versus Union of India were considered during the framing of the bill. In the judgment, the right to privacy was made a fundamental right. Before the Personal Data Protection Bill of 2019, a Personal Data Protection Bill of 2018 was released on July 27, 18, which played a significant role in formulation of 2019 bill. Now let's move ahead with the key aspects. Data categorization, data fiduciary, grounds of processing of personal data without consent, children's data privacy, rights of data principle, social media intermediary, transfer of data outside India, exemptions, data protection authority, and offenses. Data is categorized into three categories. First is personal data. Data about or relating to a natural person who is directly or indirectly identifiable, having regard to any characteristic, trait, attribute, or any other feature of the identity of such natural person, whether online or offline, or any combination of such feature with any other information, and shall include any inference drawn from such data for the purpose of profiling. It can be processed only in India. The second one is sensitive personal data. The data relating to financial data, health data, official identifier, sex life, sex orientation, biometric data, genetic data, transgender status, intersex status, caste or tribe, religious or political belief or affirmation, or any other data categorized as sensitive data by the central government. This data can be transferred outside India only with the user's consent and data authorities or central government's permission. The central government can use the user sensitive data and can direct agencies for investigation for it if needed. The third one is the critical data. It is not being defined in the bill as such, however, the bill says any such data as notified by the central government. Data fiduciary: any entity which determines the purpose and means of processing of personal data. Data fiduciary can process the data for a certain and lawful purpose and will have to ensure privacy. It will also ensure the personal data processed is complete, accurate, updated, and not misleading. Also, the personal data cannot be processed without the consent of the data principal, and to prove that the consent was given by the data principal is on data fiduciary. Grounds for processing of personal data without consent. Data can also be processed without consent for a state function performance, for compliance of any order or judgment, or medical emergency. Also, any personal data not being sensitive data can be processed for recruitment or termination or assessment of the performance of the data principal. However, the data processing without consent should be for a reasonable purpose. Children's data privacy. It is the duty of the data fiduciary to process the data related to a child with utmost security. Also, it is important for data fiduciary to obtain the consent of the child's parents or guardian before processing the child's data. Rights of data principal. Data principal have the right to obtain the information from the data fiduciary whether he has processed or is processing data or a summary related to it. The data principal has the right to restrict or prevent the continuing disclosure of his personal data if the data has served its purpose, or even if the data principal tries to withdraw his consent, he can, by showing that his consent or interest in preventing or restricting the continued disclosure of his personal data overrides the right to freedom. This right is also called the right to be forgotten. Social media intermediary. The social media intermediaries who have users above threshold and whose action may impact on electoral democracy, security of state, public order, or the sovereignty and integrity of India have an obligation to enable the users to voluntarily verify their accounts who register their services in India or uses their services in India. Transfer of data outside India. The sensitive personal data can only be transferred outside India for the purpose of processing only after the consent of data principal and permission of central government, but it shall continue to be stored in India. Also, the critical personal data shall only be processed in India. Exemptions. The central government can exempt any government agency if it is in the interest of public, security of state, sovereignty and integrity of India and foreign relations, and for preventing incitement to the commission of any cognizable offence relating thereof. Data Protection Authority. The Data Protection Authority, formed under the Act, will make sure and will take steps to protect interests of individuals, prevent misuse of people's personal data, and promote awareness regarding data protection. The orders from Data Protection Authority can be appealed to the Appellant Tribunal, and the orders of Appellant Tribunal can be appealed at the Honorable Supreme Court. Offences: processing or transferring personal data in violation of will and failure to conduct a data audit are offences which are punishable with a fine of rupees 15 crore or 4% of annual turnover of the fiduciary, whichever is higher, and rupees 5 crore or 2% of annual turnover of the fiduciary, whichever is higher, respectively. So, these are the key points of Personal Data Protection Bill 2019. All the relevant links are provided in the description box below. If you think I missed out any other important point, please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was informative for all of you. Please like, share and subscribe for more.